This 2025 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition 333 VMI is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 36 feet 8 inches in length and features a DOE interior, sleeps 4, LP detector, awning, smoke detector, self-contained, microwave, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, stovetop burner, TV, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front entertainment, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition 333 VMI is 9,090 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.